So I think that I need to go and check Windows setting for the Hyper-V. I remember turning them on, but when I research online it says that make sure that it is turned on. And last night we checked the MSN for 32 and everything was checked out. So right here. So all the Hyper-V is turned on. It says yes, nothing is no. I can try turning them off and then back on and see what happens. Would that fix the issue? Let's see. That's I think it's in Windows feature. If we can go to control panel, computer management, control panel, maybe in apps, programs and features. Yep, control panel applet. Okay, and it says Windows feature on or off. Cool. And Hyper-V, it's not checked. It's just a box. Oh, now it's checked. Okay. So what was Hyper-V GUI? Everything is checked. And oh, maybe it was this one, Hyper-V Hypervisor. We were getting this error. See what? Yep. Okay, so this must have been disabled in here, and we had this black box rather than a check. Now we have all the check, and I think what happened is, since I turned on the Hyper-V prior to enabling the virtualization support in BIOS, that's why it was like it was not turned on, the hypervisor, but the Hyper-V in general was turned on, and maybe this solves the issue. Since everything is checked, looking good, we can try one more time. Oh, I think I have to restart the computer for this to take an effect. Let's see. Okay, completed the requested change. Do I have to restart it? I'm thinking to restart it, but since it did not prompt, maybe I can just try it, and if it fails, I can always restart. So what's like 5th time now? Continue, and the same, it's not running. So we did that. Now we have to restart it. There's no restart button over here, so the physical computer itself needs to be restarted. Well, in that case, let me go and restart the computer. Thank you for watching. Another failed attempt, but we'll get it running.